Wintac is a popular real estate property management software, but before you decide whether it's the right tool for your business, there are a few things you need to know. In this video, we'll dive into 12 important points that will help you make an informed decision. Stay with us till the end, because we'll also give you a solid alternative that might just be a better fit. First thing to consider: Wintac's core strength is its ability to handle various aspects of property management under one roof. Unlike other software like AppFolio or Buildium, which often require additional integrations for full functionality, Wintac gives you everything in one package. But this doesn't mean it's perfect for every user. Next thing, Wintac's user interface can be a little daunting at first. It's not as intuitive as some of the competitors, like Wintac Direct, which offers a more modern and cleaner layout. If you're someone who values ease of navigation and a simpler user experience, this could be a turnoff for you. The third thing to note is Wintac's customer support. While they offer phone support and online resources, their response times aren't always the fastest. This is something to think about if you rely on quick solutions during your daily operations. Competitors like Propertyware and Yardi tend to have more responsive customer service teams, making them a better option for time-sensitive needs. The fourth thing is its pricing model. Wintac offers a solid value for its range of features, but it's not as transparent as others like Buildium, which breaks down their pricing clearly on their website. Wintac's pricing requires you to contact them for a quote, which may be a turnoff for some, especially if you prefer to have a clear idea of costs up front. Next thing, Wintac provides comprehensive reporting features. This is one area where it excels compared to simpler solutions like Cozy, which lack the in-depth reports that property managers often need. With Wintac, you can generate detailed financial and operational reports, which is a huge plus. The sixth thing to think about is Wintac's mobile app. While it's functional, it's not as polished as apps from competitors like AppFolio or Propertyware, which provide more robust mobile capabilities. If you need to manage properties on the go, you might find this limitation frustrating. The seventh thing is Wintac's accounting features. It offers good integration with QuickBooks, making it easy to manage your finances. However, it lacks some advanced accounting tools available in more specialized software, like Buildium's Advanced Accounting Suite, which might be a deal breaker if you run a large property portfolio. The eighth thing is Wintac's tenant and lease tracking features. It does a good job of organizing lease details and payments, but it lacks some of the automation found in competitors like Wintac Direct, which automates many aspects of the lease renewal process. The ninth thing is customization. Wintac offers decent customization options for reports and fields, but it falls short when compared to more flexible platforms like Yardi, which allow more extensive customization across the software. If you have specific needs, this might be a limitation. Next thing, integration with third-party tools. Wintac supports integrations with several essential third-party applications, but it's not as seamless as other platforms like AppFolio, which offers a wider range of integrations with accounting tools, CRMs, and other software you might already be using. The 11th thing is its training resources. Wintac provides training videos and guides, but some users feel these could be more comprehensive. If you're someone who values in-depth training, competitors like Propertyware offer more structured and detailed resources to get you up to speed faster. The 12th thing is scalability. Wintac is a great choice for small to medium-sized property management companies, but if you're looking to scale your business quickly, it might not be the best fit. Larger property management software solutions like Yardi and RealPage are better equipped for handling large portfolios. So, is Wintac the right choice for you? It's a solid option with a lot of great features, especially if you're a smaller property manager looking for an all-in-one solution. However, if you want a better option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free. We'll leave a link in the description to help you get started.